Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Squarespace email. First, understand that Squarespace integrates with Google Workspace for professional email. You'll need an active Squarespace website with a custom domain already connected. Then, from your Squarespace account dashboard, locate the Google Workspace panel to begin the setup process. This is where you'll initiate the connection. Once in the Google Workspace panel, you'll choose a plan that best fits your needs, whether it's for a single user or a team. Next, you'll be guided through creating your new professional email address, like your name at your domain. It's crucial to follow the prompts to verify your domain ownership, which ensures your email functions correctly. This step usually involves adding specific DNS records. After successful setup, you can access your new professional email through the standard Gmail interface, making it easy to use. All user management, billing, and advanced settings for your email service are handled directly within your Google Workspace admin console. While Squarespace facilitates the initial connection, Google Workspace provides the full suite of email management tools. Squarespace support can assist with any integration questions. To ensure smooth operation, always double-check that your domain's DNS records are correctly configured for Google Workspace. You might also consider setting up email forwarding if you need multiple addresses to direct to a single inbox. Remember, Google Workspace offers more than just email. Explore its other productivity tools like Calendar and Drive to enhance your business operations. These tips help maximize your professional email experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.